Rajesh Khanna would form several super hit pairings with his female co-stars. Mumtaz was his best bet. Known as the 100% successful Jodi, the two gave 8 super hit films together.
Jai Jai Shiv Shankar, Aata lage na Shankar. Jai Jai Shiv Shankar, Aata lage na Shankar. Ye pyala tere naam ka piya.
गिर जाऊंगी मैं मर जाऊंगी तो तुमने मुझे थाम लिया रब दी.
1971 saw a flood of Rajesh Khanna films. Khamoshi with Wahida Rehman, Kati Patang with Asha Parekh, Andaz with Hema Malini, and of course Anand with Amitabh Bachchan.
पावमुशाई, जिंदगी और मौत ऊपर वाले के हाथ है. जहां पड़ा उसे ना तो आप बदल सकते हैं ना मैं. हम सब तो रंगमंच की कठपुतलियां हैं जिनकी डोर ऊपर वाले की उंगलियों में बंधी है. कब कौन कैसे उठेगा ये कोई नहीं बता सकता है.
The film directed by Hrishikesh Mukherjee would fetch him yet another Filmfare Award.
I would say Amar Prem was the turning point. Rajesh Khanna, Amar Prem was the turning point because Amar Prem has an amazing variety of songs. You see, and I do remember at the end of it when it was released, and it was a very big hit, Amar Prem. At that time, I mean, Meera Burman, that is his mother, Pancham's mother, saying that after all, whose son composed it? You see, and Dada Burman saying he is as much my son. Who? Pancham. And Dada Burman was very proud. Dada Burman, if his father was proud of one score that Pancham composed early in his career, it was Amar Prem. Dada Burman was very proud. Meera Burman was very proud of Amar Prem. And in Amar Prem, if you notice, he has understood situations, Pancham. Earlier, he just used to create popular tunes for Rajesh Khanna. Now he has understood the situation. Chingari koi bhadke. You see, it's in Bhairavi. You see, he's done it in Bhairavi. And look at it, I mean, the song begins, just one word is there, Chingari. And look at the effect, the music effect that comes after that. And then he takes up Pancham. Anand Bakshi's contribution, tremendous as far as the success of Rajesh Khanna is concerned. Anand Bakshi, Pancham, this combination, Anand Bakshi, Lakshmi Pyarlal. See, Anand Bakshi became the new Dinanath Madhok of Indian cinema.
1972 would see him pairing with Sharmila Tagore in Amar Prem.
Chingari koi bhadke, Chingari koi bhadke, to sawan use bujhaye, sawan jo अगन लगाए उसे कौन बुझा.
And it was with another Sharmila Tagore film, Avishkar, that he won his 3rd Filmfare Award. It was only in the mid-70s that the Rajesh Khanna magic began to fade. Between 1976 to 1978, he acted in 9 films which were not commercially successful. Although, as a star, he continued doling out the occasional hit, all the way to the 80s.
50-50, 50-50, 50-50,
and always never shirked from experiment, forming a hit pairing with Tina Muneem. But the magic waned even if the larger-than-life charisma had not. A political career took off uneventfully and he turned producer officially with 2 films that went nowhere. He even tried acting in a telefilm and in a soap or 2. In 2005, He was honored with a Lifetime Achievement Award for his invaluable contribution to Indian cinema. In 2009, he received yet another Lifetime Achievement Award at IFA.
इस अवार्ड को हासिल करने के लिए मुझे 40 साल लगे और 180 पिक्सल, फिर जाके ये मुझे हासिल हुआ, ये लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड। बाबू मोशाय, थैंक यू वेरी मच। इज्जतें, शोहरतें, उल्फतें चाहते सब कुछ इस दुनिया में रहता नहीं। आज मैं हूं जहां कल कोई और था, ये भी एक दौर है, वो भी एक दौर था।
Almost 5 decades, and yet the Rajesh Khanna phenomena continues.